Hey everyone, this is Bobby. I'm just popping on here for a couple of minutes. I actually am now late for a event I have to attend. But anyways, I am popping on here to say hi, introduce myself to you, and let you know who I am, what I'm about, and to start having some interactions and getting to know you all better and having you know a little bit about me. I have been in real estate for over 25 years now. And when I think of those numbers, it amazes me. I just don't feel like it's been that long, but it has. And it goes all the way back to, well, actually before those 25 years, back when I was a kid and we lived in Massachusetts, and there was an old cabin I found out in the woods. And I loved that cabin. And every summer I would go out there with my siblings and whatever friends we could gather, and I would try to rebuild the cabin. We would bring stuff there. It was our fort, our everything. Just loved it. Made sure the door was locked, tried to fix the windows. It was a good time. And I should have known then that that was what I was supposed to be doing. But it was a winding road, and I finally got my calling or started renovating right after 9/11. I was in DC, right by the White House on that day, and I had a baby at home, and I was trying to get out of the building. I was trying to get back to him, which he was about an hour away. And they were in lockdown mode, and they were saying I'd be safer there. I'm telling them if they're bombing government buildings, I'm not safer here. And anyways, made it back and decided at that point in time my consulting career was ending. What's next? And since then, I have renovated, bought and sold about 30 properties or so. And I have done everything from, just kitchens and baths to full guts and renovations to new construction. And what I'm here to do is to share that information with you, help you with whatever renovations you're trying to do, help you jump started and motivated into it. It's awesome. It is so cool, so much fun. And yeah, make a lot of money doing it. So whether you're doing this for yourself or for a just your own home, or you're doing it for a career change or a career start, no worries. I've got you covered. I'm here. Look forward to working with you and talking to you. And thanks very much. Have an awesome day.